Do you want to manage your finances better? That's a question many of us ask ourselves. Today, we're embarking on a journey to financial freedom. We'll explore the art of budgeting, setting savings goals, tracking expenses, slicing off unnecessary costs, automating savings, building that all-important emergency fund, the savvy use of coupons and discounts, wise investments, and the essential habit of regular budget and goal reviews. So, are you ready to take control of your finances? Let's dive in. First things first, create a detailed budget. Understand your income and expenses and let this be your guiding map on your financial journey. Now, it's crucial to set savings goals. Whether it's a summer vacation, a dream home, or a comfortable retirement, knowing what you're saving for keeps you motivated and focused. Don't forget to track your expenses. $1 here, $1 there, it all adds up. Keeping an eye on your spending habits can reveal surprising insights about where your money's going. You can do this manually or opt for a handy expense tracking app. Next, cut down on unnecessary expenses. That unused gym membership or the daily coffee shop run might seem small, but over time, they can put a dent in your savings. Be ruthless in eliminating these money drainers. Now let's automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings or investment account. It's like outsmarting your future self. Building an emergency fund is a must. Life is full of surprises, and some of them come with a price tag. Having a safety net can make a world of difference during unexpected financial hiccups. Frugality is your friend. Use coupons, seek discounts, and hunt for the best deals. Retailers often offer promotions that can help you save a pretty penny. Investing wisely is another key step. Educate yourself about different investment options and find what suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Lastly, keep a regular eye on your budget and financial goals. Circumstances change, and so should your financial plans. Remember, managing your finances is a continuous process. It's about making informed decisions and being proactive. Start today and reap the benefits tomorrow.